So if you want to know how to withdraw your USDT back to your local bank account, it's pretty basic on Bybit. So all you have to do now is just tap on your asset. Once you tap on your asset, just tap on transfer. Once you tap on transfer, make sure you are transferring the asset from your spot to funding. So once you've transferred the fund from your spot to funding, in this case I have like $16. So the next thing that you are going to do is just tap on home and tap on P2P trading. Once you tap on P2P trading, you know we are not buying USDT, we are selling it. So all you have to do is just tap on sell. So depending on the amount that you want to sell, all you have to do now is just tap on amount. So in this case I'm just going to sell like 1,500 naira worth of USDT. So once you just tap on confirm, you'll see list of merchants that are available to buy your USDT. So one thing that you have to address, you understand, you have to put into consideration is that don't sell it to merchant that his completion rate isn't above 90%. As you can see, this person's completion rate is above 90, this person is 99%, this person is 79%. I won't recommend this guy because his completion rate isn't above 90%. So this person is 95%. As you can see, he's online. This green icon signifies that the merchant is online, but this person, I would like to sell it to this guy, but as you can see, he's not even online. He was online 2 minutes ago. So but it's still the same thing. I'm just going to sell it to this guy since his completion rate is above 95% and he is online. All I have to do is just tap on sell. Then I'm going to input the amount that I'm going to sell. So in this case, let me just sell $2. Then I'm just going to tap on bank transfer. You'll be required to input your account number and make sure the account number that you are putting, make sure it corresponds with that of your Bybit. So just tap on sell. Make sure the name on your Bybit account corresponds with the name on your local bank account and you are not going to face issue now. So all I have to do now is you just wait for some few minutes for me to receive the transfer. You don't have to panic or do anything. The merchant has 30 minutes for him to make the transfer, but since the completion rate of the merchant is above 90%, I should receive the funds within 10 minutes or so. So let's exercise patience. So as you can see, it's been like 2 minutes and I just received the transfer. All I have to do now is just tap on release now. So if the merchant signifies that he has already made the transfer to you and you haven't received the alert, make sure you have received the alert before you release the money, you understand? So all you have to do now is just tap on release now, and that's pretty much it. Just confirm it, yes, and just relate it and just acknowledge, then input the OTP. And that's pretty much it. We have successfully sold our USDT now. If you don't have a Bybit account, do make sure you register an account with the partnership link in the description of this video to get exclusive new user reward. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.